What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here with a super quick launch announcement. On Monday, we are going live with AMZ Automator, and as always, it would be great to have all of you guys that are watching this video to promote this epic new launch. Now, in short, it's a brand new system which allows your guys to make money with Amazon, and this one taps into a loophole on Amazon Kindle. So it's brand new, never ever been seen before on the Warrior Plus marketplace, and even ClickBank and all these other networks. Really, it makes money when you upload done-for-you books to Amazon Kindle. And we provide you an A to Z system to do this with something that we have found that nobody else is talking about on the internet. So if you want to get in on this one, you want to provide your guys with value, you want to provide your guys with a brand new system, something brand new, fresh for 2024, this is going to be the one for you, all right? So if you can promote it, as always, you're going to win some great cash prizes, fantastic funnel in place, and as always, reciprocation. If you can support us, I will 100% have your back this week, next week, and in the rest of the year. So please consider promoting this one. Grab your email swipes, line up your best promotion of the year right now, and I will see you on the leaderboard of AMZ Automator on Monday. Thanks a lot, guys.